morning, my sweet and beautiful family, and you are watching on my YouTube channel, that is Binongkiri Explorer Vlog. So today we are attending a mega vaccination program here in Waisong Stadium Playground, Donkamokam. Ada aksi do ibon di? A large number of teachers and ASA were present here, as you can see, guys. Wow, look at that, guys. What a view. The meeting was organized by the health department, and the topic was for the verification of vaccination.
Một隻踢啷佢啊！啊，你講邊嘅啦？VIP點事啊
？Meeting along ke than pon ateng ke donatum school than bang la pen asa tum adon tin dam pen vaccine kachipi la pen kachipi pe alis don tam nangji pusi han pachini pon. There is one request for all the viewers, guys. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe so that you can get a quick notification whenever I uploaded a new video. A very big thank you to all guys for watching my video, and if you like my video, please do not forget to share and subscribe. And it's a request to all the viewers that if you like my video, please do not forget to write on the comment section given below so that I can bring you more videos and updates. So from now, take care, stay safe, be happy, and love you all. Bye bye.